Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. Y'all, I'm a big fan of WYZE and a lot of the products that WYZE produces, and the latest output from WYZE is the WyzeCam OG. I ordered two, as you can see. They shipped them so fast, 2, maybe 3 days at most from when I ordered them, when I got them. So here they are, and I thought we'd unbox them together. So I am a fan of WYZE. I have a WYZE watch. This is my second WYZE watch. I have a number of their cameras. I don't have everything that WYZE has. I have some of their smart plugs. I have, like I said, some of their cameras. I've got some pan cams, some version 2, WyzeCam V2. I do have WyzeCam V3. In fact, I have one right here to show you guys. This is WyzeCam V3. You can see that here. It says it right here. And I've had these for, since they were released. A little dirty. And I got these because they have some really fun new offerings. Colored night vision, indoor, outdoor, and a wired camera. I do have WyzeCam's outdoor wireless battery operated cameras. I have 2 cameras and then the home network that is required to go with it. So like I said, this is what it looks like. Let's check the boxes out. All right, as it said, colored night vision. It does have if you can see it right here, it's got a little light on it. It's supposed to be a spotlight. So inside the box comes the power adapter, USB cable, the wall plate, 2 mounting screws, which would probably have drywall anchors in them. And then the quick start guide. Of course, you do need WYZE's app on your phone in order to get these to run. So they've got it in the Apple App Store and, of course, Google Play. All right, this is what the other back of the box looks like. They do offer color night vision, which is really fun. All right, let's see the other one. Here's where it talks about the features. Colored night vision, full 1080 pixel HD. It's got an IP rating of 65 for weather resistance. It's got the integrated spotlight that I showed you, 2-way audio, so you can talk to someone. You can obviously listen. Offers 24/7 recording. That is, of course, I believe with a micro SD card you need to put in there. Motion sound detection is available. It does come with a 6-foot wired connection. You can purchase longer USB cords. It does offer remote live streaming. And then with a subscription, you can view cameras in a browser on a computer or tablet. It offers person detection and then full-length event recording. So that is that side. And the box, pretty standard. So, y'all, let's unbox. Here's the deal. I've already opened one. So I'm going to show you what this looks like when you open this, and then I'm going to show you what the camera looks like. I have my camera set up and running. All right. So if you know WYZE, you know, right? I've got a number of these. Comes with quick start guide. Got a little silica packet. These are going to be your mounting screws. You've got your power adapter, your cable, and your camera. So how many of y'all got a bunch of these? I have a bunch of those. All right, let's get into the camera. I just set my camera up. Here's what it looks like. And here's the wall mounting. I did take that off during setup. I haven't figured out how to get this off, you guys. This is obviously where the screws go. That sucker is on there. I'm not really sure how this pops off. It scares me. They don't talk about it in the quick start guide. So typical mounting screw. This is extremely difficult to rotate. It does come mounted like that. And it is tough to rotate, but you pull that off in order to set up your camera. These are the screws. There, you come with 2 of these. This is what the screw looks like. This is what your drywall adapter looks like. Obviously, let's go through the quick start guide. And I'm going to make sure I am still in frame here. Yeah, I'm getting a little off. Sorry, y'all. Okay, so quick start guide. All right. Here's one of the details, what it tells you about this. If you get Cam Plus, which is their subscription, full-length videos, smart AI detection, back-to-back event recording, exclusive discount for WYZE members, and then it tells you how to subscribe. This is what it tells you in the box. All right, we're going to look at what this camera looks like, if I can get it to hold still. Okay, so you've got this is their spotlight. Okay, this is obviously the lens. Now this does come with a sticker on it for protection. I've already peeled that up. This is going to be your indicator light, and over, I'm not sure you guys are going to see that, there is a itty bitty little dot right there. That's going to be your microphone, okay? So your speaker is on the back. All right, here's where your power adapter is. And at the bottom is going to show you where your micro SD card goes. This is the setup button if you need to push it. Now, when I set this up, as soon as I plugged it in, it went right into setup. I didn't even need to use that button. Here is your mounting screw where your mounting fits right in. So that is what it looks like. I'm going to get that out of the way. We're going to keep going in this. So you make sure I am still centered for you guys. This shows you the back. I already showed you guys that. This talks about setup in downloading the app from either the Apple Store, Google Play. So you're going to open up the app. You're going to basically press on the upper left-hand corner. There's a little plus sign. You're going to click add a device. You're going to find WyzeCam OG and click that. And then you're going to plug your camera in. And as soon as you hear it, it'll say, basically say ready to set up, and off you go. In the app is really easy to use. So all right, here's the indicator lights. Now this is talking about this light right here. You can see it's blue right now, but so you're going to get a solid red light when you power it on and it is initializing. It will immediately go to a flashing red light. That tells you that the connection is in progress. Once it starts flashing red and blue, then it is in progress. I'm sorry, so flashing red means it's ready to connect. Red and blue mean it is in progress of connecting through your app. Flashing blue light means it is connected. It is working its way through the setup process. Once it is a solid blue light, that is, the device is working properly. As you saw, it went from blue to red. So what that means is solid red light. Live stream is being viewed or a recording is in progress. Quick flashing red lights means the siren is in use. Now this does have the speaker and it is meant to have a very loud siren in it. I have not tried that yet. And then the solid blue light means just like that, device is working properly. It's set up, it's connected, and it is going. All right, that talks about installation as far as this goes. They honestly do not talk about how you take this off. It's on there good, you guys. I would think it would pop off or slide off, but I'm afraid I'm going to break it. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of research to figure that one out. And then the back talks about the ceiling mount, how you would mount it using those drywall screws and anchors. And then it talks about a wall mount, how you might mount it outside into a hard wall. And then, of course, it gets into the FCC warnings. There is a whole lot of them for the rest of the setup packet. And then it talks about your warranty and how you get help through WYZE. So it's a very quick start guide. It's definitely not a full manual. That would be available through your phone in the app. All right, the full manual. So I am just making sure that we can see everything in here. All right. Like I said, plugging this in, it went right in, it said ready to set up. Honestly, it took less than 3 minutes to get this set up. The longest part was connecting it to your wireless network. I connected it to my 2.4 gigahertz, which all my cameras are on. I have that set up with it's a guest Wi-Fi and it's password protected. So I have all my devices on that network. I do not have an SD card in this yet. I need to get one installed in there, get it formatted and ready to go. And yeah, I think it went pretty well. I was surprised at how quick and how easily the setup went. Honestly, it was slick. The only problems I had, honestly, was with my network. Just mistyping my password. So the only thing I'm curious about, there's this little thing right here that says WYZE. I think that might be maybe a magnet. I'm not positive I know you can stack these. If you guys go on the website, you can stack these. They do sell, there's 2 new cameras out. So this one is the WyzeCam OG, and I believe these were $29.98 or $29.99 per camera. I will put that information down below in the description, you guys, just so you know. I will also put a link down there, and I believe it might be like a referral link or an affiliated link. Honestly, I don't remember if it gives me points or what on their site, if they're even doing that anymore. But yeah, I'm a longtime WYZE owner. don't have everything. Like I said, some smart plugs. I do have the watch. This is my second watch. I have a couple other cameras. Like I said, this one is a WYZECam V3. I do have some cam pans. I honestly haven't really upgraded too much. I've got some version 2 cameras, some version 3 cameras, as you saw here. And I don't think I have had any of the cameras go bad yet. So I've had them for a couple years. They are mostly about half and half outside. I only have one that is exposed, really exposed to the elements. That one is in a case. You can see the video on that one. It is a WYZECam V2. I put together a video on I put that in a case, and I actually did a antenna hack, putting a large external antenna on it to, basically I live out in the country. I mounted it on the side of a metal building, and in order to get my extended, network capacity, I needed to put an outdoor or an external antenna on that. And so you can see that little hack that I put together in my WYZECam playlist, or my WYZE playlist. But thanks, guys. I really appreciate your time. I was trying to make this kind of quick. This is what the box looks like. I literally just got this set up. Haven't really had a chance to test it. Don't really know how well it's going to work till I get it outside. I hope this works okay outside the way it is. I am not going to be putting it into a case. It does say that it is weather resistant, IP65. This is going to go outside, and it's going to get Wisconsin's winter and summer weather. So we shall see. So thanks, you guys. Let me know if you guys want to talk about WYZE at all. We can have a hopefully polite conversation down below in the comments. And yeah, would love to hear your experiences with WYZE. Have a great one, you guys. Appreciate your time. I will see you all in my next video.